Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a Ferroglobe PLC, and this is the weekly chart what you can see on your screen. So if you want to see and understand this trend, so there are two phases in this trend. Okay, firstly, what you could see that the stock has been consolidated for the last 6 or 7 odd years. Okay, so here is the trend you have. Okay, so here is the trend you have. So where the stock was trading probably in between $7.2 on the downside, and you have your upside at $26. But in the later part of 2018, the stock has cracked below $7 and it went down to as low as 35 cents in the year 2020. But as you know, this is a unconventional year and there are lots of things that has happened are not quite normal. So looking at the trend and the overall market sentiment, where the stock has seen lots and lots of volatility, and which is for the good for most of the companies, because those who are holding stocks from the lows of March 2020, they have expected some supernatural gains in a very short amount of time. Now, keeping those things in mind, we are probably expecting the same. When I am saying same, it means we are expecting a trading bounce back in this stock as well, because as you can see here from the lows of 2020, it actually went up by 427%, and after the fall it is up by 280% as well. Okay, now the way the stock has placed right now, you have been inside a range which contains lots of support and resistance level on both the sides. In this stock, you have your first support at 1.15, below that you have 1.02, then you have 87 cents, further going down you have 61 cents, then you have 52 cents. Okay, you have 41 cents, and you'll have your final low at 35 cents. Below 35 cents one should not carry any positions. Now you need not to wait for the stock to move 35 cents if it indeed want to go down. Okay, because we don't know how it will move. What we do know is there are certain levels. Also, we need to adjust the trend as per the stock movement. And third, it is our responsibility, okay, if you are an interested participant in this particular stock, so it's that person's responsibility to get and know about the zone which will be when you call as or something as a risk reward, which will be or which will have great risk reward, if not great, at least good risk reward. Okay, so adjust your support and resistance level accordingly and try to find out some levels which will probably give you a fine support and resistance level as well as a good risk reward ratio. Now I have explained you all the support levels on the downside. On the upside, you will have your recently tested high at $1.85. Above that you have $2.4. Then you have the high of 2019, which is $3. But if the stock, the way the trading bounce has happened, so if the stock reaches $3 and the way the stock is moving, we are probably expecting it to sustain above $3. And if that happens, there is a big possibility then that it could move towards $7. Okay, but I will not go beyond $7 or above $7, 7.24 for the time being, because this is a zone which has acted as a big support for this stock from 2010 till 2018. So it will be a big resistance for the time being. So what we are looking at here are two things on the upside and probably lots of things on the downside. So looking at the current trend, we are in a zone where the upper end of the range is $3, and if it sustains above $3, then we have a chance that it could move to as high as $7.24 for the timing. That's it. On the downside, you have lots of support level. So understand which will work or which will suit you, and then adjust your position, place your stop losses. Do not simply jump into a trend without understanding your personal risk reward ratio. So when I am saying risk reward, it is not something which is universal. Okay, 10 peoples do 10 trends and they have their own way to understand the things. Similarly, they have own way to understand the risk, and they have their own understanding about the risk reward ratio. So understand and decide what suits as well as what works good or best for you, then enter into a trend. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.